Hi, Foodie Chef Pete here. Today, the thing we're gonna talk about is how to make a simple sandwich. And you don't need to drag out your panini machine. Just get yourself some good bread. I'm using sourdough wheat here. That's what I'm using today. And some excellent Black Forest turkey, ham, whatever lunch meat you like. And I get the no nitrate one here. This is absolutely beautiful meat. Look at this beautiful turkey meat, Black Forest. And today I sliced a tomato like I usually do, nice and thin. And then what I made here is some avocado pesto mayo.
Ooh.
And I use avocado mayo, avocado, because I break up the avocado and get it nice and pureed in there, and a little lemon juice, okay, a little salt, and mayonnaise. And there we have it. And then I have our mayo out. And then today I'm gonna put some smoked provolone. This is a very simple way to make a sandwich. And then I'm gonna put it, because I didn't bring out the panini maker, I brought out the sheet, and I have my little oven over here on at 350, because I'm gonna melt the cheese and warm it up, put it back together, put it down, and cut it in half.
You mean the Breville oven?
The Breville
Smart oven?
Our smart oven, Anthony. So, when we come back, I'm gonna show you the short, easy, quick way to put this all together. Give it a try. Buy some lunch meat. Buy the no nitrate if you can. If not, buy whatever your family likes, okay? And there we have it. So this is Peter Carpizzos wishing you the best. Get some avocados, make some avocado mayo. It's just a few things. And I did this with some pesto in here, so I have avocado pesto mayo using avocado mayo. And there we have it. So this is Peter Carpizzos. Watch the shorts. I'll show you how to put it all together. Pete out.